Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to protect Excel sheet from modification. For that I am going to open a Excel file. Here is my Excel file. I am double clicking on it to open the program. Here is the Excel file. That means in the Excel sheet I have written this information. But anybody can change it. See here I am giving number 11 here in this way. I'm adding other information, suppose Kamal, Jamal, and other information I can add here. That means I can modify anything. Even I can insert column, I can delete a column, I can delete some data, etc. That means modification is possible now. But if I like to disallow modification, that means I like to protect the Excel sheet so that nobody can change anything. Everybody is allowed to open the file, but nobody is allowed to change anything. For that, I have to go to Review File menu, then see here two options, Protect Sheet, Protect Workbook. You have to click Protect Sheet. Okay, I am clicking Protect Sheet. See here, there are different options. Just the first two ones are enough. Here I am giving password to protect the whole sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Re-enter password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this file can be opened by anyone, but nobody is allowed to change anything. See here, I am testing. Yes, it is written password protected. Here in the blank column, I am going to write something. Yes, when I am going to write something, it is showing that this file is password protected. In this way, we can protect the Excel sheet. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.